Turn your newspaper into a beautiful little draft. Namaste, friends. Welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe my channel for latest update and hit the bell button for notification. So, dear friends, are you ready? So, for this, you will need take 2 blue tubes, press it like this, apply glue on one of them, place it another tube on it, press the tube and attach a cloth pin. Roll this on a barbecue stick like this. You will get this shape. Now apply glue over here. Take a new tube, fix it over here, attach a cloth pin. It will look like this. We'll start weaving. Bend the tube behind the right tube over the left tube. Now bend it behind the left tube and bring over the right tube like this. Same way, repeat this way. Behind the left tube, now behind the right tube. If you want to learn how to make tubes and how to color them before weaving, please watch my previous videos. Link is in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Keep on repeating. Adjust in between. Behind the left tube, over the right tube. Now to extend the tube, insert new tube, applying glue and use light pink tube and weave in the same manner. Keep on repeating. You can use pink tube or a cream tube. Adjust it and keep on weaving. Attach new white tube here and keep weaving. In the same manner you have to weave. It's very easy. Just you need to have some practice, but it's very easy. Keep on adjusting. Now attach a blue tube and start weaving. Now leave the tube on the left side and place a new tube this way, leaving place on the right side like this. Apply glue to secure and attach a cloth pin and start weaving in the same way. Keep on repeating. Now here to end, take it behind, apply glue and paste it. Attach cloth pin. For making hand, leave 4 fingers gap and tie a knot like this. Cut the extra tube. In the same way with the other hand. Now for making legs, follow the video as shown. Roll it and attach cloth pin. For making nose, take a pink tube, insert here, bend and fix it as shown. Paste googly eyes with hot glue. Apply varnish. Yeah, it's done. Decorate in your room or hang it anywhere you want. Hope this video was very helpful. If yes, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you make one, do share with me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.